This is the tutorial for uploading both your blog post as well as your presentation on our Wikispace. So what you first need to do is you need to go to our project space, which is humanosdelcolegio.wikispaces.com. And what that's going to do is it's going to take you to the home page. If you look over on the right hand side, this is our navigation bar. At the very bottom, there are two different tabs that you're going to need. So the first one is blog uploads. So we're going to go ahead, I'm going to show you how you will upload your blog to our space. And it says upload or share the link to your blog post in the Padlet below. For directions how, check out the tutorial under the Technology to Help tab. So this is that tutorial. And this is the Padlet right here. So what you're going to do, you can either double click on this space, or you can hit the plus and it turns into a pencil. You can click on that. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring up a little box. In this box, what you need to do for the title is put your name. Make sure to put your last name. Following your name, I want you to put the number for your class period. So let's say this is first period. You can either just put a 1 or you could put first. Alright, if you chose to complete your blog on a web blog, so a website where you did the blog, which was one of the options, then what you're going to do is you're going to click this plus symbol, and you're going to need to go to your actual web page where you did the blog, and you're going to copy that link and you're going to paste it right here. So what I did is I went ahead and I pulled up my actual blog, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link. I'm just going to hit Control-C. You could right-click if you want and select copy. And I'm going to go back to our project space. And in this box, I'm going to hit Control-V. Or you could right-click and hit paste as well. Okay. And now I'm going to click Submit. Okay, so it's preparing it. And what this is going to do is going to actually create an image of your blog space. So if you have images on your blog, which you should have at least one image on your blog, then it's probably going to show up underneath your name. And if you want to type something above it, you could. So I could say this is my friend Manuel, if that's who my blog is about. Okay, and then to submit it, make sure that you click off of it. So you're going to need to click to the right of the box, and now it's been submitted. So now it's there and everybody can see it. If for some reason you can't see it, like you can't see your box or anything after returning to this page, I believe I have it set up to where it has to be approved before it shows. And so if you don't see it, don't think it hasn't been submitted or that it hasn't worked. Check with me first, but most likely I just haven't approved the post yet. Alright, so let's say that you upload something that you didn't mean to upload. You picked out the wrong file, or you ended up changing it and you want to resubmit. All you have to do is hit this little trash bin and it'll delete it. We're going to hit OK. And then I'm going to show you how you would upload an actual file from your computer or from your flash drive. So once again, we can double click, put your name and the class period you're in. Okay, and you're going to hit the plus sign again, just like you did before, but this time we're going to click Upload. Now we can either drag a file to here, or we can click Choose File. We're going to do Choose File. And then you would search for your document. So I'm just going to pick one that's not the actual the actual one. Let's do, let me do this one. Okay, so I double click it and it actually shows a little image of it. Okay, so this one's not very exciting because it's just a document, but yours should have a picture on it. So we'll click OK. And there it is. Once again, click off to the right, or you can type something. This is my blog entry, or this is my friend so-and-so. And then we just click to the right and it's there. Okay, so pretty simple. Alright, so now let's click on presentation upload. And this is actually going to work exactly the same way. So if you did your presentation on a website, it's going to be the same thing. Once again, I do want you to put your name and your class period. And then you're going to upload or copy and paste the link to your presentation. So if you did your presentation on Prezi, in another tab you need to go to Prezi.com. Okay, you would log in. Okay, you would click on your Prezi. Oops. We'll click on privacy and sharing. And then I'm going to click on share. And here's the website. So I can copy it. Just click copy. And then I go back. Sorry, not there. I go back here. Let me get off that. And then I should just be able to paste it. It's going to give me a little preview again of what it's going to look like. Okay. Alright, and it's still loading. But there it is. So once again, pretty simple. And then the file upload works exactly the same as the blog post. So notice with the presentation, if you did it on a website, check and see if it has a share button, just like Prezi does. And then you can copy the link that way. And then for any kind of upload, it's going to work exactly like it did on the blog post. Now notice this is taking a little bit longer to load the presentation. But you should be able to click on it and hopefully, here we go, it's starting to show up. And now you can start your presentation and other people can watch your presentation from here. Okay? Alright, let me know if you have any questions.